Hello! Today I want to tell you about the best gift I have ever received. Everyone likes receiving gifts. Some gifts are big. Some gifts are small. Some are expensive. Some are simple. But I believe that the best gifts are not always the most expensive ones. Sometimes a small gift can have a big meaning. The gift I want to talk about today was a notebook. Yes, just a simple notebook, but it became one of my favorite things. This story happened a few years ago. At that time, I had just started learning English seriously. Every day, I learned new words. I listened to simple podcasts. I watched short English videos. I practiced reading every evening. I wanted to improve, but sometimes I felt tired. Sometimes I thought my progress was too slow. I compared myself with other learners. Some people spoke English very well. Some people understood everything. I felt that I was far behind. One afternoon, my birthday was coming. I did not plan a big party. I only wanted to spend time with my family. In the evening, we had dinner together. We laughed and talked about many things. After dinner, my older sister smiled at me. She handed me a small box. She said, "Happy birthday." I thanked her and opened the box carefully. Inside, there was a notebook. It had a dark blue cover. The notebook looked simple. At first, I thought, it is a nice notebook. Then I opened the first page. There was a short message written by my sister. It said, "Every new word you learn brings you one step closer to your dream. Never stop learning." I read the sentence slowly. Then I read it again. Those simple words touched my heart. I smiled. I thanked my sister again. She said, "I know you work hard every day. I hope this notebook helps you continue." That night, I placed the notebook on my desk. The next morning, I wrote my first English words inside it. I wrote 10 new words. Then I wrote their meanings. I also wrote one example sentence for each word. Every day after that, I used the notebook. Whenever I learned a new word, I wrote it down. Whenever I learned a useful sentence, I added it. Sometimes I drew small pictures next to difficult words. Sometimes I used different colors to organize my notes. Slowly, the notebook became thicker. More and more pages were filled. It was no longer just a notebook. It became a record of my learning journey. Whenever I felt tired, I opened it. I looked at the first pages. Then I looked at the newest pages. I realized how much I had learned. The notebook reminded me that I was improving. Maybe not quickly, but little by little. One day, I counted the vocabulary inside. There were more than 1,000 words. I was surprised. I remembered the first day. At that time, I knew only a few simple words. Now I knew many more. The notebook showed my progress better than my memory. It became one of my greatest sources of motivation. Sometimes I took it to a cafe. Sometimes I took it to the park. Whenever I had free time, I opened it and reviewed my notes. The notebook went everywhere with me. After several months, the corners became worn. The cover had a few scratches. Some pages were slightly bent, but I did not mind. In fact, I liked those small signs. They showed that I had used it often. One evening, my sister asked, "Are you still using the notebook?" I smiled and showed it to her. She looked through the pages. She was surprised. She said, "You really filled almost every page." I laughed. Then I said, "This is probably the best gift I have ever received." She smiled. She said, "I'm happy you like it." That conversation made me realize something. A meaningful gift is not about money. It is about understanding someone. My sister knew what I needed. She knew I wanted to improve my English. She gave me something that encouraged me every single day. That was much more valuable than an expensive gift. Even today, I still keep that notebook. I do not use it anymore because every page is full, but I never throw it away. Sometimes I open it again. I read the old pages. I smile when I see my beginner mistakes. Some words were spelled incorrectly. Some sentences had grammar mistakes. But I do not feel embarrassed. Instead, I feel proud. Those mistakes remind me how far I have come. They remind me that learning is a journey. Nobody starts perfectly. Everyone starts somewhere. And every small step matters. That notebook also taught me another lesson. Writing things down helps us remember better. Now, whenever I learn something new, I still keep notes. It has become one of my favorite learning habits. Whenever someone asks me about my English learning, I often tell them about that notebook. It was simple. It was inexpensive, but it changed the way I studied. Sometimes people ask, "What is the best gift you have ever received?" Many people talk about phones. Some talk about clothes. Others talk about watches. My answer is different. My answer is a notebook, because it gave me motivation. It gave me confidence, and it reminded me to keep moving forward. Before I finish my story, I want to ask you something. What is the best gift you have ever received? Was it something expensive? Or was it something simple but meaningful? Sometimes the smallest gifts stay in our hearts the longest. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.